Good morning. It is the 14th of June. This is our early morning broadcast here on Thursday, Export Day. But today we're just looking so far at what's happened overnight in the markets. We will have exports here in just a little while. Make sure you join us for that. Looking at the market, we've got the cotton market right now up some, not a lot. It has been down a good bit overnight. It has been up a good bit overnight, and that's moving back down to where it's a little bit higher on the day. Grain markets are all down. We've got energy up, the dollar up, precious metals are up. Asia stock markets closed down. European stock markets are currently down. The U.S. index futures and the S&P are currently up a small amount. The news, of course, is yesterday a much, I think, anticipated rate hike of 1/4 point by the Fed yesterday took place, and they are anticipating another 2 cuts to happen this year. That'll bring a total of 4. We're looking at lower unemployment than anyone anticipated, and we're looking at the possibility of higher inflation. Good for commodity prices, but that's kind of what's in the market right now. Grain, we've been in a prolonged downtrend in the grain market, led by, or at least partially by, good weather and good crop progress reports that have come out. So that market looks like it's getting oversold. It is very cheap right now. Cotton market, we seem to be stalling somewhat up at these levels. There is a forecast for rain in West Texas, possibly coming on Monday and Tuesday, coming out of the Gulf from the hurricane. I don't know that the odds are really strong. It's still probably going to be scattered, but that's making some of the people along the market in cotton nervous, and we're seeing some lightening up. So we'll see what happens there. Let's just take a look at the market right now. July cotton. Well, let's start with December. December's the lead month now. December up 8 at 93.01, a high of 93.33, a low of 91.62. That's a pretty big range for overnight. July cotton up 9 at 93.90, a high of 94.50, and a low of 92.80. The July soybeans down 3 1/4 at 932 3/4, with a high of 937 3/4 and a low of 931 1/4. July corn is down 4, big move there, 372, high of 374 3/4 and a low of 370 3/4. July wheat also down 8 1/4 at 508 1/4, a high of 517, a low of 505 3/4. Crude oil is up 21 cents a barrel in July at 66.85. The dollar is up 13. Gold up $6 an ounce. Silver up 14 cents an ounce. Both those reflect sort of inflationary sensibilities in the market. And then we've got the S&P futures index right now in September up about 6. So that's really it for today. We do have exports at 7:30, and then we've got, let's see here, we've got business inventories at 7:30, jobless claims at 7:30, retail sales at 7:30, and EIA gas storage at 9:30. Have a good day. We will see you a little later. Thank you.